Is your bank account looking emptier than a roadie shop on a Monday morning? Let's be real. Finding extra cash in Trinidad can feel like trying to catch a mosquito in the dark. But what if I told you there are smart, often overlooked ways young Trinidadians are turning their skills into serious side income right from home, or even on the move? Stick around, because we're diving deep into the top 5 side hustles that can put some real jingle in your pocket. And trust me, you won't want to miss number 1. We all know the struggle. You're young, you've got big dreams, but that monthly paycheck just isn't cutting it. Or maybe you're fresh out of school looking to build something of your own without a massive upfront investment. The truth is, the Trinidadian economy, while vibrant, sometimes requires a little extra hustle to get ahead. Relying on just one income stream can feel like playing a rigged game, leaving you vulnerable to unexpected expenses or just plain wanting more out of life. You're working hard, but are you working smart? The problem isn't a lack of ambition, it's often a lack of direction, not knowing where to channel that drive for the best returns. That's where these top 5 side hustles come in. First up, consider online services like virtual assisting or social media management. Think about it. Every small business, from the doubles vendor to the boutique clothing store, needs an online presence but often doesn't have the time or expertise. You can manage their social media, respond to emails, or even do graphic design, all from your laptop. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you connect with clients globally, meaning you're not just limited to local demand. One young woman I know started managing Instagram for a local bake shop for just a few $100s a month, and within a year, she had 5 clients, easily making more than her day job. Next, if you have a flair for the kitchen, specialty food and beverage is a goldmine. Trinidad loves good food, and if you can create unique snacks, desserts, or even artisanal drinks like custom juices or infused waters, you're in business. Think beyond the ordinary. Instead of just cupcakes, offer vegan or gluten-free options. The startup cost can be minimal, often just your ingredients and a passion. You can sell through Instagram, WhatsApp groups, or pop up at local markets. People are always looking for that next delicious thing. Moving on, local artisan crafts and customization taps into our unique culture. Can you paint, craft, or personalize items? Think custom t-shirts for carnival, bespoke jewelry, or personalized gifts for weddings. Trinis love expressing themselves and celebrating, so there's always a market for unique, handmade items that reflect our identity. An online store or even just promoting through local events can get your creations noticed. Our 4th side hustle is tutoring or skill-based workshops. Are you a whiz at CSS math? Can you play the Quattro? Or maybe you're a pro at makeup application. There's someone out there willing to pay to learn what you know. You can offer one-on-one sessions, small group workshops, or even online courses. This is an incredible way to leverage your existing knowledge without needing to invest in new tools or equipment. Finally, coming in hot, the ultimate side hustle for the organized and social, small-scale event planning or coordination. Trinidadians love to lime and fate, birthdays, baby showers, small corporate gatherings. These all need a touch of professional organization. You don't need to plan massive concerts. Focus on smaller, intimate events. Your good taste, connections, and ability to handle logistics can turn into a serious income stream, especially during peak seasons. The feeling of seeing a perfectly executed event you orchestrated is incredibly rewarding, and your clients will sing your praises, leading to more business. So there you have it, 5 legitimate ways to boost your income right here in Trinidad. Each one offers a chance to build something on your own terms, utilize your unique talents, and gain financial freedom. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and adapt as you go. Ready to dive deeper into making money online? Click here to watch our next video.